guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make 2 DIY Valentine's Day gift ideas. They are super cute and they come from the heart since they are handmade. So anyways, let's get started. So first we are going to be making kisses in a jar. So you are going to need a mason jar, a bunch of different color reds and pink lipsticks, Hershey Kisses, makeup wipes, cardstock paper, and scissors. So first you can write whatever you want on the jar, but I just simply put a jar of kisses, red and sweet, for the days our lips cannot meet. It's so cute. You are going to apply whatever red lipstick you want, and then you are going to take a sheet of the cardstock paper and simply just kiss the paper. It's a little tedious because you have to keep reapplying your lipstick before kissing the paper each time, because you want to make sure you have that really bold lipstick color for when you kiss the paper. So I just filled up a sheet and a half of my kisses, and then you are going to take some scissors and cut out all of the individual kisses. Next, I just emptied out the Hershey Kisses. I got the Valentine's Day themed ones, so they're pink and red and silver. So I just filled the jar about a third or a quarter of the way, and I just tried sticking the little kisses around the outside of the jar so then your boyfriend or girlfriend, whoever, can clearly see your individual kisses along with the Hershey Kisses. And then you're going to keep adding the Hershey Kisses and then your own kisses until it fills up to the top. And that is it. It is so cute and very simple to do. I love it. And the next and final project we'll be working on are open when letters. I think these are the sweetest things ever. So you are going to need blank cards and envelopes, pictures which I printed from Walgreens, and then you are going to need different colored Sharpie markers. So you can customize the open when letters to whatever you would like. So here are some ideas that I came up with. So since this gift is for Valentine's Day, I just put open first, so then he can read the Valentine's Day letter I'm going to write him. And then I have open when it's our anniversary, open when you're stressed, open when you miss me. Now here comes the fun part where you can really personalize the gift. So I just printed out a bunch of pictures of my boyfriend and then I stuck them into certain envelopes. And you can find a bunch of ideas on Pinterest or Google search them. And this is such an adorable gift. You don't even have to make it for like a boyfriend or girlfriend. You can make it for a best friend, your sister, your brother, mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, whoever. It's such a cute idea, and I know that whoever you give it to is going to be just so touched because it's such a thoughtful gift. And after you finish completing the open when letters, you can just tie the stack of letters together with a ribbon like I am doing right now, or you can just simply put them in a box and just sort them however you would like to. And you can totally decorate the box if you are really crafty. And that is it with all of my Valentine's Day gift ideas. I hope that you guys got inspired. So I hope this helped you out a lot, and make sure you comment down below any video requests that you have for me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!